Hey guys, so these are the art supplies which I'll be using to draw my character. So the things you will need is a sketchbook, a pencil, black drawing pen, ruler, sharpener and artisan color pencils. So for the first, I'll use a hardcore sketchbook, a pencil and eraser, and sometimes I'll use my phone to look at other artists for inspiration and get some cool ideas from them. The first step is to get the idea what you want your character to be and draw the outline and the basic shapes of it, how to make your character stand out. So now I know what I want to draw. I take my sketchbook and start sketching it. Remember to start with the basic shapes before adding details, and don't be scared to erase what you don't like.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it.
So the sketch is done and it's time to ink it. So for the inking, I'll be using a WH Smith black drawing pencil. The first thing you have to do, ink your character without doing those smooth and thicker lines. After that, then add the smooth and thicker lines in your character like how I'm doing it. It's basically a thicker lines which will make your drawing more stand out and more cooler. So now I'm done with the inking. I'll color it with artisan color pencil. It is a set of 72 color pencils. If you want it, the link is down in the description. Go check it out. So let's get started.
And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like a coaxin', she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coaxin', she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
I'm almost done, so I'm gonna go with the background. I'm gonna choose the bright color to make my art more stand out.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a